welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make one of my ultimate favourites. I know lots of things are my favourites, but this is stunning. If you've never used Biscoff, you've got to try these cookies. Gorgeous. So we're going to start off by taking a large teaspoon of the Biscoff paste and we're going to just put it onto a tray and flatten it down slightly. Not too flat. And then we're going to put that into the freezer. So we want to do 15 of those and then they're going to freeze for about an hour. So we're going to add into the machine 115 grams of butter. And then we've got two sugars in this recipe. We've got a lovely nice dark soft brown sugar. That's going to give a nice flavour to your cookie in there. 87 grams and 87 grams of caster sugar. A little bit of vanilla extract. Now remember my top tip, vanilla extract, not essence, is a much nicer flavour. And we're going to cream that together for about 5 minutes. Once that's creamed together, we're going to add in 275 grams of flour. That's a plain flour. So always make sure you sieve your flour. Into the flour, we're going to add 8 grams of corn flour, 3 grams of bicarbonate of soda, and 3 grams of salt. I'm just going to blend that together. Then we're going to put half in and half again. Starts to come together, then you can add your chocolate. So I've just chopped the chocolate up really quite fine because I want chips of chocolate through it. I don't just want like big chunks. And I'm going to add some milk chocolate to this. Now you could add any flavour you want to, but I think milk works really well with Biscoff. So once you've weighed those out, you're going to get your Biscoff out of the freezer, but only take a couple of pieces out at a time because it will go soft. And you're just going to squash the dough. Now it looks a little bit crumbly, but don't panic. It will, and you're going to fold it around the edge. Just keep folding until you can't see the Biscoff. Sprinkled a few biscuit crumbs on half of them and they're going to go into the oven for 11 minutes only. Now don't panic if they don't look done, but they will be, just 11 minutes at 170 degrees. So there they are. Just leave them to set now for about 15 minutes before you try and move them because that Biscoff is really soft inside, so we need that to set off. So once they've cooled down, I'm just going to sprinkle or spin some chocolate over the top. So I've got some white chocolate and I've got some Biscoff and I've melted it together just to give it a nice finish. So if I was to crack one of these in half, you'll be able to see what the filling looks like. Well, that's our Biscoff biscuits made. You've caught me on the act, I'm eating one already. Nice cup of tea. So thank you so much for joining me. Hope you liked it. Put your thumbs up and see you on the next one. Bye for now. Gorgeous.